afternoon everyone. My name is Lebron James Igitilag. Ang panahon topic ay simple interest. Lebron made a loan amounting to 20,000 with an interest of 2,400 and the interest rate of 6%. How many years will he pay this? Given interest to 2,400, principal 20,000, rate 6%, 6% or 0.06. Ang formula ay times equal interest to principal times rate. Ang times equals 2,400 over 20,000 times 0.06. Then ang iyang answer ay 2 years. Therefore, Lebron will pay this often to 2 years. Thank you.